issue. SEBI has decided on a host of changes in its board meeting held yesterday. Yash is joining in with the key details. Yash.
Well, it was the first board meeting under the new chairman, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. It was a long list of agenda, and what came out again was a long list of changes which have been suggested by SEBI. First, good news for smaller foreign portfolio investors. Market regulator SEBI going ahead and raising the threshold when it comes to FPIs which have to submit additional or granular disclosures with SEBI. Now the threshold for submitting that additional disclosure would be 50,000 crore in equity AUM in the Indian equity markets as compared to 25,000 crore rupees. What doesn't change here, essentially, any FPI having 50% of its total equity AUM in a single corporate entity will have to continue to make those additional disclosures. Apart from that, when it comes to public interest directors moving from one MII or market infrastructure institution to another one, this will continue to require SEBI approval but won't require shareholder approval. Also, now the cooling off period between the PID or the public interest director moving from one MII to the other one, now that cooling off period will be decided by exchanges and not SEBI. Another good news which came in for all the investment advisors and research analysts. Now these research analysts and investment advisors will be allowed to charge an advance fee to their clients to up to 1 year, which is 4 quarters. Currently, investment advisors can only charge advance fee for just 2 quarters. Research analysts can charge this advance fee just for about 1 quarter. Finally, SEBI has announced formation of a high-level committee. What this committee will do is it will decide what needs to be disclosed by its own board members, what is the conflict of interest which needs to be disclosed in terms of assets, investments, liabilities, all of those things. And this committee will submit its reports in terms of those regulations within 3 months after it has been formed. Interestingly, during the question and answer session with SEBI chairperson, there was also a question which was asked on NSE's potential IPO, and that got some interesting response from the chairperson. Hear out what the SEBI chairperson had to say as far as NSE's potential IPO is concerned.